This last lecture of module 2, we will see some geometrical parameters of some very common open channels. So first we have a rectangular channel of depth y and width b. Area is given by b into y, that this is weighted area. Then the weighted perimeter b plus 2y. Okay, top width is considered as b. This both bottom width and top width are same. Okay, hydraulic radius is area upon parameter by upon b plus 2y, and other relationships are, in case of wide rectangular channel, y naught upon b is less than equal to 0.02. Okay, for very wide channels, obviously the width will be very large compared to depth, so the ratio of depth to width will be less than equal to 0.02, and also in that case hydraulic radius equals to y. Okay, then the second common section is triangular section. Depth of flow is y. Okay, with side slopes 1 is to m and angle 2 theta between the sides. So area becomes my square, perimeter 2y under root m square plus 1, top width 2m plus 2m plus y, hydraulic mean radius my upon 2 under root m square plus 1. Other relationship, m is equal to tan theta in case of all type of triangular channels. Okay, next, very common is most common. Trapezoidal sections are most common, and generally open channels are trapezoidal. Okay, so with base width b, side slopes 1 is to m, and depth of flow y. The area will be b plus my into y. The weighted perimeter b plus 2y under root m square plus 1. Top width b plus 2my. This top width here, the top width will be different. Unlike rectangular channels, in case of trapezoidal channels, top width will be different. Hydraulic radius area upon perimeter, and one more thing, m is equal to cot theta. Okay, that you can establish with this. Then one more type of open channel is circular section. These are not that much common. Okay, so the area diameter d and depth of flow y. Okay, the area becomes d square upon 8 2 theta minus sine 2 theta, perimeter d theta, top width, this one is top width. This can be, you can show that this is d sine theta. and hydraulic radius, this will be area upon perimeter, which results in d upon 8 2 theta minus sin 2 theta by theta. And other relationship, cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 y upon d. तो ये सारे रिलेशनशिप्स आप खुद भी, चूंकि सारी चीजें ज्योमेट्रिकल हैं, ठीक है, तो आप खुद भी ये सारे रिलेशनशिप्स स्टैब्लिश कर सकते हैं. इसे एज ए असाइनमेंट दूंगा मैं. ओके. अब ओपन चैनल्स में प्रॉब्लम्स किस तरह की आती हैं, ठीक है, ये तो 5 टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. इन पे डिटेल डिस्कशन हम लोग इस मॉड्यूल में नहीं करके नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल में जब हम यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है, तो यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो के अंदर ही हम इस चीज को भी डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी चूंकि कुछ चीजें हैं जैसे ज्योमेट्रिक एलिमेंट्स, चूंकि ये चीजें हमें पता है, फिर भी उसमें अगर हम इन चीजों को देखेंगे, ठीक है, तो ज़्यादा बेटर होगा. तो इसके साथ ये मॉड्यूल पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया. ओके. नेक्स्ट में हम लोग यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो शुरू करेंगे. थैंक यू.